Hi, I'm going to demonstrate this light first with 1999 receiver, then with 2005 receiver with light wire to fan wire to show what I can do. Low, no light. Medium, a little bit of light. High, bright light. If I press the reverse button, it goes off and back on. Now here's the 2005 remote receiver. Low, no light. Medium, little bit of light. High, bright light. And reverse button. Light goes off, on, and on. This is how receiver can activate reverse module. Though it uses different method over time, since reverse module may be different. Now watch what happens when I turn on medium and I push reverse. It goes bright, then off, on, then back to original brightness. The 1999 receiver also doesn't turn fan to high before switching direction. Anyways, thanks for watching. Please have a comment, rate, subscribe.